This is a Bank 1 turbo off a BMW N54 engine. Customer complained of a check engine light. Upon scanning, we found low boost pressure fault stored. We found upon disassembly that the actuator lever was worn for the wastegate control. So much so that the actuator was unable to seal the gases in the turbo and essentially allowed the exhaust gas to bypass the turbine wheel in the exhaust side of the turbo. It functions on 7 inches of vacuum, which I'll apply now. And once it reaches the 7 inches of vacuum, the wastegate should be fully closed. You can see we still have all that play and deflection, as well as, since the shaft was so worn, play in the wastegate valve, which is not sealed at all, which allows exhaust gas to bypass the turbine and not build the correct boost pressure. Even if going to the full 15 inches of vacuum, the valve was still unable to seal. Unfortunately, that requires replacing the whole turbo, as there is no repair for the valve shaft replacement. That was the fix, and we replaced both turbos to cure the problem.